Okay, awesome. Thank you. You're fantastic. Okay. Got it. Okay. Are you looking at your letters? C? Yeah. M? And T? W?
P.
Is that a P?
Camera.
A J? Oh. Oh, a candy cane. That's right. It does look like a candy cane. It's the letter J.
Wow. Tunnel. Tunnel. Tunnel.
Is it a tunnel? The little homeschooling show? Candy. Good signing candy, yeah. Does it look like a candy cane? It was the letter J.